Bullish Jasmy coin cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 2 cents and 5 cents by 2030. Market investigators accept JASMY could reach 2 cents by 2025. Bearish Jasmy coin market cost expectation for 2023 is $0. Jasmy coin presentation. Jasmy coin, as a stage, was sent off to utilize the Web of Things gadgets and media made to store and handle information in a decentralized structure. Very much like the conventional construction of a market, the cryptographic money market continues developing and stretching out while inviting new conventions and groups consistently. In any case, with this constant advancement and extension, more cycles are made to support them, and one of these arrangements is Jasmy coin. This guarantees that information isn't effectively gotten to by unapproved parties and further handled and put away in unified frameworks, which help information examination and cornered estimates. In this video, we'd investigate the idea of Jasmy coin. Will the past cost exhibition make it a wise speculation for the following bull run? Will it hit all-time again after this passing winding? And what's the cost conjecture for Jasmy before very long? What is Jasmy coin? This symbolic serves an immense scope of issues and purposes. As per Jasmy coin's white paper, in a digitalized world, people don't just go about as clients who partake in the comfort of IoT gadgets, yet in addition as information suppliers who produce various sorts of information around their living climate. We accept that the responsibility for information will have a place with the actual people, not to an incorporated company. Jasmy can likewise be applied to our everyday exercises like program driving, dispatch administrations, and in any event, shopping. For example, SiloCentralPay, a SenseNet blockchain installment stage created, got, and incorporated by Jasmy, can be utilized at candy machines. Jasmy additionally fills in as a framework that empowers information trade among organizations and organizations, as they expect to fabricate an uncommon time of data. This multitude of utilizations referenced above show that the utilization instance of JASMY both on-chain and in reality is major areas of strength for that interest in the token won't fade yet rather increment over the long run. It's a decent coin to purchase for a wise speculation portfolio. In any case, this isn't monetary guidance as you're encouraged to do all necessary investigation. Jasmy coin is as of now worth $0. JASMY has moved 4.12% as of now with an exchanging volume of $76,742,114. Jasmy coin is as of now positioned 113 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $310,544,448 USD. Our cost expectation figures utilize continuous Jasmy coin market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market action. Jasmy coin value forecast 2023. Jasmy coin, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The JASMY cost conjecture for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $0. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be slow, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive. However, it is practical sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headway. JASMY is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Jasmy coin value expectation 2024 out of 2024. Jasmy coin JASMY cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of JASMY will before long outperform 1 cent. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the JASMY's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, JASMY will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 1 cent and a typical exchanging cost of 1 cent. Jasmy coin value forecast 2025. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 2 cents and JASMY might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. JASMY is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 2 cents and a low of 1 cent in 2025. Jasmy coin value expectation 2026. In the event that Jasmy coin effectively supports market feeling among digital currency lovers, the JASMY coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, JASMY will be green in 2026. The JASMY is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at 2 cents, with a base cost of 2 cents and a typical cost of 2 cents. Jasmy coin value expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the JASMY cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 3 cents by 2027, with a base cost of 3 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, JASMY has a most extreme value worth of 3 cents. Jasmy Coin Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 4 cents. On the off chance that JASMY figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of 4 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help JASMY needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 3 cents. Jasmy Coin Value Expectation 2029. While JASMY is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to Rush Association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been set at 4 cents and a yearly cost close above 4 cents in 2029. Jasmy Coin Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Jasmy Coin will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be 5 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 5 cents, averaging out at 5 cents. Jasmy Coin Value Expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to estimate future sticker costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme JASMY cost in 2031 is projected to be 6 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 6 cents. What is the Jasmy Coin cost today? Today, Jasmy Coin is exchanging at $0, a complete market capitalization of $310,544,448. Is Jasmy Coin a wise speculation? Jasmy Coin ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In view of this, it is shrewd to say that JASMY is a decent decision of venture. How high might Jasmy Coin at any point go? The typical cost of Jasmy Coin might perhaps reach $0 a year. Throughout the following 5 years, it is projected that Jasmy Coin might outperform 4 cents. What amount will Jasmy Coin be worth in 5 years? In view of the rising ubiquity of cryptographic money and Jasmy Coin, a drawn-out interest in JASMY could see the value ascend to 4 cents inside the following 5 years. What amount will Jasmy Coin be worth in 10 years? In the event that you put resources into Jasmy Coin today, likewise with any venture, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost of JASMY might actually ascend to 8 cents inside the following 10 years. What will the Jasmy Coin cost be in 2024? Jasmy Coin cost is supposed to reach 1 cent by 2024. What will the Jasmy Coin cost be in 2025? Jasmy Coin cost is supposed to reach 2 cents by 2025. What will the Jasmy Coin cost be in 2026? Jasmy Coin cost is supposed to reach 2 cents by 2026. What will the Jasmy Coin cost be in 2027? Jasmy Coin cost is supposed to reach 3 cents by 2027. What will the Jasmy Coin cost be in 2028? Jasmy Coin cost is supposed to reach 4 cents by 2028. What will the Jasmy Coin cost be in 2029? Jasmy Coin cost is supposed to reach 4 cents by 2029. What will the Jasmy Coin cost be in 2030?